Hey, don't stick your hand out. Alright? What'd they say? This is a video. You don't just sit there like, oh, take a picture. It's a video.
Huh?
I'm taking a video right now.
Really?
Yeah, I am. Really.
Why?
Yeah, good point. I don't know why. Because I wanted to take a little bit of the train ride so you can get the whole effect. Ah, the tunnel. Whoa! You think it's fast?
Now we're going slowing down.
Slowing down?
Yeah.
Did you like the train ride?
Yeah.
Did you like the train ride?
Yeah.
Alright. Here we're pulling into station now. Here's the train station. We're off.